He left that 500. Huh? He left that 500, huh? He left it. Like, bro. Non-refundable now. We Hustle Daily. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, man. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another. It's something in my nose, man. This little thing in my man. That joint. Anyway, shout out to the whole Hustle Nation, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel. It's like a gray hair in my nose. It's like bothering me, but shout out to the whole Hustle. If y'all see it on camera, it's like a little gray hair in my nose. But shout out to the whole Hustle Nation. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Make sure y'all hit that notification bell. Make sure y'all follow your boy on the gram, wehustledaily.co. And make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com, because this is where you're going to learn how to check out cars and buy cars at the auction. So make sure you check that out. Make sure if you want to learn how to make money, if you want to learn how to inspect a car, either or, I'm gonna show you, because a lot of people end up on the side of the road thinking that they can go to the auction, buy something, and then be set. But no, y'all go to the auction, y'all buy something, and then y'all be on the side of the road. Because I'm gonna tell you a little secret, like I keep telling y'all in every video. A lot of the cars at the auction are there for a reason. They are there because they are messed up. But guys, man, I know y'all heard my little rant from the last video a while back of the what's that, the Chevy the Chevy Malibu, the 04 Chevy Malibu, the white AT&T Chevy Malibu. There it is on the side of the screen, or right there, or wherever it is. I still got that car, y'all. I done had that car for 3 weeks. I know I asked y'all this in a previous video before, a while back, probably 2 videos. But I'm gonna ask y'all again, because this is the video where I'm going to be taking a deposit. And speaking of videos, you know, listen, all my videos, like, they don't be in order all the time, y'all. And I got a lot of videos, which bring me to the next point. If you want to see earlier content, make sure you hit that join button right by the subscribe button. If you're on an iPhone, you may not see the join button, so you may have to go into Safari or, you know, your Google app. You can't go into the YouTube app and see the join button, or you can go on a desktop or a laptop and you can hit that join button. But y'all on the Android, y'all should be able to see that join button right by the subscribe button. So if you want to see earlier content, make sure y'all hit that join button. But I asked y'all this in, like I say, videos. I don't know when they was released, but what do you do if this haven't happened, but I was just asking y'all opinion on it. So for the 04 Chevy Malibu, man, y'all know that we done been having people play around. Y'all know ain't nothing wrong with that car. Y'all know how much I paid for the car. If you don't know, go back and watch the previous videos, because I'm not gonna repeat it again. Y'all gotta go back and watch the videos, so y'all can see it on the thumbnail. You know, y'all can watch the videos. They are the thumbnail, so you know y'all can easily see them. But yeah, man, my last little rant, we couple of days later, I don't even know, shit, a week later, or I don't even know what this is, but that white car literally just been sitting there, man. But I got a guy who's coming to buy it. Well, not coming to buy it. Today is a Saturday, so I don't know what day this video released on, but today in real life, this is a Saturday. So right here, this time of this video, it's a Saturday. So he wants to give me a $500 deposit, which I did not make up $500. I didn't tell him no, nothing. Yeah, damn, they got the COVID test. They getting tested, ain't they? $500 deposit. He made up that number. I didn't make up that number. He wants me to hold the car. So, you know, of course, I'm gonna write it up like $500 deposit, no, non-refundable, of course. So my question to you guys were, what the hell is you doing, lady? My question to you guys were, let's just say Monday comes and he does not want the car. You know, he's saying he's gonna have the rest of the money Monday. So let's just say Monday comes and he like, oh, I don't want the car no more. And let's just say from now to Monday, nobody even hits me up on the car. So, you know, it's not like I was saving the car, you know what I mean? Like, it's not like I was holding the car, really. Ain't nobody hitting me up. So let's just say if nobody, they could, but let's just say they didn't. If they don't hit me up, do y'all, and he want his money back, do y'all give him 3 options? y'all give them the whole $500 back? That's just automatically no, because I'm having to drive over here and show him the car and let him drive it anyway for the $500 deposit. Monday, he'll just pick up the car. Or do you keep like $100, $200 for wasting your time and give them the rest of the money back? Or is business business? I told you non-refundable. Non-refundable means non-refundable. I got a free $500. I already know what I'm gonna do if this happens, but I'm just curious to hear you guys' opinion on how you guys would conduct a business. I like to hear everybody comment, so y'all let me know what y'all would do if this did happen. He say he's about an hour away. I actually should be about an hour away, and I'm actually having to, come. I don't have to go over here today. You know what I mean? Like I don't got to go over here. You know what I'm saying? So that $500 made it worthwhile. Like, and that's another thing I don't do. What the hell y'all doing? Y'all can't drive? Like when customers be like, oh, they have, because he wanted to do this. When customers are like, they want to come drive the car, because I think he hit me up yesterday. So yesterday was Friday. So if he hit me up Friday, he was like, hey man, I want to come test the car, but when you tell me you ain't got no money, I'm not letting you come see the car, because I can sell it in between those days, in between that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I like for the people to have the money before when they come out, because I don't know if you guys ever had this problem before. Somebody come out, they don't buy it, they talking about they coming out the next day, and then later on that day I sell the car to somebody else. You see what I'm saying? That happens a lot. My man smoking on that good. But yeah, so y'all let me know in the comments below, man. But we're about to go over here, check this Malibu out once again, man. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation, y'all. I appreciate y'all continuing to rock with your boy. We going up, we growing, so I really just appreciate all the Hustle Nation, every single one of y'all, and for y'all certified hustlers who done hit that join button. So I just wanted to, tell y'all that I really appreciate y'all, because I do, you know what I'm saying? And y'all see me grinding, and I'm showing y'all, it's a grind every day. I get up and I grind every single day, every day, when I don't feel good, when I don't feel like it, like when I'm having a bad day, like it don't matter, y'all get out, y'all chase y'all dreams, y'all stay focused, y'all stay, motivated, and, Big Play right here to motivate y'all. I'm showing y'all live in the flesh, you know what I'm saying? If y'all got to go back to the videos and shuffle them shits and go back to oldest to newest, y'all do that, you know what I mean? Y'all can see the grind, but god damn, we got some traffic, man. Come on, baby. Hey. But all right, y'all, I'll see y'all when we get to the office, man. Show y'all this car one more time, and man, this dude give me this $500, man. He ain't gonna never see it again if he don't come back and get the car. What's up, Hustle Nation? This video has been sponsored to you by whdacademy.com, the online course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the auction game, all my tips on how to properly inspect cars, and most importantly, how to make money. As you can see, I've been doing this for a while, and as you can also see, I have plenty of testimonials on how I've helped others gain success in this business. So if you're interested in learning, be sure to click the link in the description below. All right, guys, so I just asked a friend of mine what he would do, and he said that he would give the money back. He said he would give all the money back, the whole thing, you know what I mean, if the dude decides to change his mind. So that's why I'm saying I like to hear everybody's opinion, you know what I mean? I like to hear everybody's opinion. And his reasoning was because, it's just like less headache. He's just gonna give the man his money back, it's less headache, you know what I'm saying? And then I brought up, what about, if I missed out on a customer or two, or a customer, even though, like I told y'all, when nobody hitting me up, I'm just throwing scenarios out, you know what I mean? So he said he would give the money back though, still. So y'all let me know, everybody in the comments. I know a lot of people watch the videos, but I need everybody to drop a comment down below to let me know. If you say business is business, I want to see in the comments business is business. I want to see that in the comments below. Or you could just throw a number in there, you know what I mean? Say you will give, you know what I'm saying? Tell me what number how much you would give back, if you would give anything back. So like I say, y'all let me know in the comments below. I gotta go over here and check on this truck real quick at this shop. So I'm about to go over here first and then hopefully I'll be able to show y'all. Well, shit, he not buying it today, so I will be able to show you guys the actual car, because I'm gonna let him test drive it and everything. I'm gonna let him do everything today. You know what I'm saying? So when Monday come, you can just get in the car and dip. You know what I mean? We can finish this paperwork and dip. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just write something up real quick. I'm not gonna process the deal or anything like that. So, but yeah, man, I want to see everybody in the comments. I know a lot of people be watching the videos, but man, I need to see some comments, bro. What y'all gonna do? Y'all giving the person their money back, less headache, or is business? You know what I mean? I told you, and it's like I'm gonna tell him, like, bro, non-refundable now. It's gonna be rolled up. So y'all let me know in the comments below, man, what y'all think. Let me know in the comments below. I need y'all to drop them comments, dude. So, and that's crazy too, because, you know, I just thought about it. Like, what if Monday comes and you can't even get the money that you, because he's told me the way he was gonna get the money. But like, what if you can't even do that, you know? So I don't know, guys. Let me know in the comments below, and yeah, y'all let me know. All right, y'all. And for y'all who have not seen the car, you new to the channel, or whatever the case may be, here it is, the 04 Malibu. Now we did just drive and he liked it and he left that 500. So y'all let me know what y'all think. I put that non-refundable on that receipt, straight up. But nah, y'all let me know what y'all think, man. What if dude can't get the money, bro? What y'all think? Check me out. I'm clean too. Oh, we got some chips up under there. I ain't seen that. I ain't see that. Calm down. I ain't see it. But man, yeah, y'all see it, man. So, matter of fact. But yeah, man, so let me put this thing back. So yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think, homies. Y'all know, let me know what y'all think, Hustle Nation. I'm curious. Y'all gots to let me know. Let me raise sure all my windows up. He left that 500. Huh? He left that 500, huh? He left it. He left it with me now. So, oh, I forgot I gotta push all of these down because the thing don't be working, son. Put that back in the window. All right. But like I say, man, y'all let me know. Do I get dude his money back if he can't get it or what? Yeah. Look at my baby girl. Need to go get her a wash. I was just about to go get a wash, but man, there was so many damn people at the line. I mean, trying to get a car wash today. Today was car wash day for everybody. I gotta wipe my hands, man. If y'all know about Big Play Ray, man, I'm real, like, the pandemic and stuff, it really got, you know, a lot of people, well, some people just don't care, but like, I ain't never been the type to touch gas pumps. Or, I mean, I never wore gloves at the gas pump like I do now, but I always keep the sanitizer and wipes, and I always wash my hands after I pump gas, after I touch doors. I don't care if it's the Walmart door, Target door, Marshall's, TJ, I don't care where it's at. I don't touch those. The mall door, you know what I'm saying? If I do touch the door, I open it with my pinky. You know what I mean? Like, so I've been on that. So, but yeah, y'all let me know, man. I'm gonna catch y'all Monday though. This video is gonna, you know, fast forward until Monday because, you know, he gave me the money. You know what I'm saying? Y'all seen the pocket. But yeah, he gave me the money. He understands that it's non-refundable. So, but y'all let me know in the comments, man, what y'all think. Y'all let me know in the comments below. So I'm curious to hear everybody's opinion. Don't just watch the video and don't drop the comment. Drop the comment. Let me know what y'all think. You know what I'm saying? It could be 1 or 2 sentences if y'all lazy. Come on, bro. Get off my car, dog. Bugs in my car, bro. And that's another thing. I do not mess with bugs. I'll see y'all Monday. All right, y'all. And I just wanted to tell y'all what I would personally do if the man don't come Monday with the money. You know, just to get y'all a little, just to, show y'all what type of person I am. You know what I mean? There's got to be some type of penalty, right? But I will give the man $400 back. I want y'all to drop in the comments, like I keep telling y'all, what y'all would do. Would it be wrong for me to keep the whole $500? No, that's business. It's wrote down. I talked to you in your face. I had a conversation to you, man to man. We talked about this. You understood this. You agreed to this. Okay. Now, if he don't want his money back, I probably won't say nothing. But, you know what I'm saying? If he just, shit, I don't know. I probably still would give him the money back, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, so just so y'all can see what type of person I am, you know what I mean? Now, and I'm not really like hurting for the money, like, you know what I mean? Like, I could use it, but it's not like I got, like the car was just sitting up there, so it's just like, I don't know, man, now if this had been like a year and a half ago, I was a different, I was a shark in the water, you know what I mean? Like, for real, but I done came a long way, and there's got to be certain, like I say, there will be a penalty. I will keep $100. You know what I'm saying? I was gonna say 150, but I think I just would do 100. But and I will give him his money back. You know what I mean? Like, it all depends on what type of person you are. You know what I'm saying? Y'all seen what happened with them. If y'all seen what happened with McDonald's, if y'all ain't seen what happened, make sure y'all watch that movie. I think it's The Founder. You know what I'm saying? Dude, shark in the water. You know what I mean? But, I mean, that's how it is in business, you know what I'm saying? But, I just believe in, good karma, and, you do right, you do right, you gonna get right. I mean, that's just, trust me, y'all. I've seen, and I know this for a fact, you know what I'm saying? So, what goes around comes around. Now, yeah, I will sell you a car with no gas in it or something like that. You know what I mean? I will sell you the car on E. But I ain't no person that I wouldn't just keep his whole $500, y'all. I would give him $400 of his money back, and I will keep 100. You know what I'm saying? Like I told y'all, it's got to be some type of penalty. But again, let me know what type of if y'all don't feel like you are an asshole or nothing like that. If you writing in the comments, I keep it. You agree to it, like, and then everybody's in a different point in their life too. I don't know. Y'all might need the 500. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? So, so y'all let me know. That's why, so don't feel like an asshole because you say, I would have kept it or anything like that. I'm just telling you what I would do, what I would do. Y'all let me know what y'all would do. If y'all would keep the money, y'all not wrong for that. So, y'all let me know in the comments below. And I'll see y'all Monday to see what really is going to happen. But I just wanted to take this time out to tell y'all that I'll give him $100 back. I think.
Subscribe.
Yes, sir.
We're getting it in the pandemic.
You already know, man.
We don't give a damn about no depression, recession. We're going to make it happen.
You already know, man.